Living positively, living positive, living positively, living
Sanibonani babukeli, siyanamkela ku Siyayinqoba Beat It. Lolu uhlelo noma ubani ophila negciwane lengculaza. Abathandiweyo babo, imindeni, abangani, abasebenza nabo, ngisho phela nabasebenzi bezempilo. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngokuhlukumeza ngokobulili. I-insert yethu elandelayo istory esaba ngundaba kwayo ezweni lonke. Make sithi ukubuka.
Namhlanje sisezoni sizokhuluma noNwabisa owahlukunyezwa abo taxi driver eNorth Street taxi rank. Lelanga uzuhlukunyezwa eNorth Street sicela usitshela ukuthi wenzakaleni.
Okay, boy, Sunday afternoon, 3:30. Ngihamba nama friends wami beseWynberg, bese4. And then bona boy they were wearing pants and ngifake mini skirt. Jumping in a taxi. Mangene taxi rank uqhamuka omunye emva kwami. Phakamisa skirt isihlela yazi like a figure belt and my ears was out. So immediately bafloka in bazake bawaningi. Balo bangidonsela skirt namayembe bangithela ngotshwala akwabani. So ngilwile nabo for a certain time, but yeah, because we were ningi. I'm talking about there were more than 100. So I couldn't bang overpower. Eventually, there was a point by the time I found my security, so. And I was so helpless. They were picking on me until I figured my security.
Sihloniphe vele kwathini. Sihloniphe uma unkosikazi ugqoka isiketi esishaya emaqaleni phansi. Yathona. Hayi into eziveza amathama ofika amathanga sakuqopha waya vele live.
Yini wena enza ukuthi ukhulume uyi-expose lento ukuthi yenzakalile kuwe?
And ayawatshana lama security lapha ngithi you know what? Namhlanje ke basukela wrong. Mina ngizobonisa ukuthi ngubani. Ama security guys angithe ukuthi no. Ayiqali ngami, I'm not the first one. This thing ihlali yenzeka almost every weekend. Na Ayla there was a girl abamstriphile wada. So I calling them and I'm a person they won't do anything. So rather I go public because I thought it wasn't going to media. At least this all kunjane kuzoba khona into eyenzakalayo and then ngeke
I'm here to support your sisters because we are sick and tired of these taxi drivers.
I used to use taxis a lot when I was a young girl, and they did that all the time. Just grab your breasts, hit your bum, call you all sorts of names, make suggestive comments. So this is something that I've experienced myself, and I'm thinking enough is enough. At some point we need to make a stand.
A problem, these men are not. Bafuna ukwaziwa ukuthi bona banamandla kangakanani bafuna ukuba nesithunzi. It's not about minutes get.
Yabona Nwabisa phela komuntu onesibindi kunathi sonke. I think njengoba sihleli la because I think all of us see abantu besifazana we've experienced it at some point in time. I know I have me. And it's not about minutes get, it's about the man's ego. At the end of the day, why fan ukuthi yena kuglorify ilokunjana umthetho wakhe mangabe athi fanele ukuthi ungagqoki kanje ugqoke ngalendlela leyo. Why should thina si ownwe umuntu wesilisa ufuna ukwazi?
I don't think people should be owned, and I think just to relate to an experience that he gave letting earlier, as a woman on all the rights down, and as Mona was enjoy respected the rights to the same way when I respected the rights and ownership. I don't think you spoke issue lobola also, or don't think that because you particular lobola for somebody then suddenly you become my property. It shouldn't be working like that.
Ukuhlukunyezwa kwabesifazane kubhebhethekisa ingculaza. Kuyenzeka ngoba abesilisa abanandaba. esikhathini esiningi abesifazane ababika ukudlwengula nokuhlukunyezwa ngoba besaba ukuthi ngeke basaluthola usizo lwemali. Kuyoze kube yilapho abantu bonke bebambisana basizana nabesifazane futhi befuna umnyakazo emaphoyiseni. Yilapho izinto ziyoshintsha khona. Zivikele, uvikele nabanye. Protect yourself, protect others. Size sibonane ngeviki elizayo. Isale kahle emakhaya. Bye.